Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, your go-to destination for insights into dynamic world of business process outsourcing. My name is Ameya and I'm your host and industry expert in BPO industry. Today we are diving into a crucial topic for new startup contact centers. Why it's essential to prioritize client acquisition over setting up office infrastructure in your first 90 days of your business. So let's start with the first point, the importance of client acquisition. As a startup contact center, your initial focus should be on client acquisition. Securing clients lays the foundation of your business and generates the revenue needed for the growth. So let's explore why this should be your top priority. So the first point that you need to consider is about building a sales pipeline. The first 90 days are critical for building a robust sales pipeline. Invest time in market research, identify potential clients, and craft a compelling sales strategy. The goal is to generate steady flow of leads that can be converted into clients. Second is about establishing brand presence. Brand presence is a key. Designing professional website, creating a strong social media presence, and implementing CRM tools for email automations contribute to establishing your brand in the market. A recognizable brand attracts clients and builds credibility for your business. If you're getting some value from this video, consider subscribing and give me a thumbs up. Now the second important point is about delaying infrastructure setup. So let's start with the reasons of strategic decisioning, why you should delay your infrastructure. First is because of resource optimization. In the early stages, your focus should be on optimizing resources. Channel your budget towards client acquisition strategies rather than investing heavily in office infrastructure, computers, or operational expenses. Second is because of flexibility and adaptability. Delaying infrastructure setup allows your startup to remain flexible and adaptable. You might discover new market insights during the initial client acquisition phase that could reshape your infrastructure and requirements. By the way, if you want to know how to start a contact center or BPO business and acquire international clients, you can attend my online executive program on my website is www.offshoringconsultant.com. The link is in the description. Now the third point is about marketing strategies. So let's discuss important sales and marketing strategies that startup contact centers can implement during the first 90 days. To begin with, website design and development. Your website is a virtual storefront. Invest in a well-designed, user-friendly website that showcases your services, client testimonials, and contact information. Make it easy for potential clients to engage with your brand. Second is about social media engagement. Leverage social media platforms to create brand awareness. Engage with your audience, share industry insights, and highlight unique selling propositions. Social media is a powerful tool for connecting with potential clients. Third one is about CRM and email automation. Implementing a customer relationship management systems is very crucial. Use it to automate email campaigns, nurture leads, and track client interactions. A well-utilized CRM system streamlines your sales process. Fourth is about leads database collection. Gather comprehensive leads database from your target market. This data is a goal for your sales team, enabling them to focus on qualified leads and tailor their approach based on the client needs. By the way, if you have any questions related to BPO or contact center industry, you can directly reach out to me on WhatsApp. My number is +91 9511 841495, or you can also book my free online meeting on my website is www.offshoringconsultant.com. Now fourth point to consider is about transitioning to business operations. After successfully building a solid foundation through client acquisition, it's time to transition to business operations. To begin with, setting up your infrastructure. Now that you have a steady revenue stream and virtual office setup, you can allocate funds to set up your office infrastructure. This includes securing a physical office, investing in necessary equipment, and creating a conducive work environment for your team. Second point to consider is about employee recruitment and training. With the sales pipeline in place, focus on recruiting and training employees. Hire individuals who align with your company's vision and values. Giving the best training to your employees ensures smooth business operations. So we have explored the strategies approach for startup contact centers and BPO companies. Prioritizing client acquisition in the first 90 days before diving into the office infrastructure setup is extremely important. Remember, a strong client base is a key to long-term success. Of course, you should consider virtual operations during the process of client acquisition. So in this video, we discussed about why prioritizing client acquisition for startup contact centers is so important. If you are associated with the outsourcing industry and would like to watch more videos about the BPO and contact center, make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. In this video, I will take your leave and I will see you in the next one.